guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my faith planner, the spread for the week of July 1st through the 7th. I am going to be using Susan 2, so these are some really pretty florals that are available in my shop. I'm going to be using the matching sticker kit, and I picked two really pretty colored washies that I think will match very well. You can head over to my website, check the description box below for a special coupon code for a discount. My website is pleasantlyplanned.com, and go ahead and order all your pretty floral stickers while you're there. So let's take and put this big pretty one up in the top. I mentioned in my previous videos this week, if you've watched any of those, that I did not post. I think I did post my faith planner, Plan With Me, and my catch-all dashboard layout, but I didn't post any of the other videos that I had filmed for last week. I was just kind of in a funk and did not want my funk to wear off on y'all, so I didn't share. But this week I am feeling much better, and so I am back to filming. This is actually the last video that I'm going to film today, and I'll be finished. Hallelujah. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take some boxes. I think we're just going to take these three colors. Oh, I just totally ripped that box. I cannot believe I did that. Let's take it and lay it down very gently. I think that's crooked. I really messed that box up. I didn't mean to. Put that one there. And we're going to take a red one, and we're going to take another teal colored one and put down here at the bottom. Okay, and then we're just going to decorate around these boxes with some florals. I am going to actually lay a couple boxes on this other side too. So let's just do the red and then like this brownish color. It's more like a kind of a khaki color. But we'll lay these down. I am going to white out this red though. I don't want it to be showing behind where I write. I went a little bit too far, but it's okay. All right, so now let's decorate around. I need to do something big down here. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably kind of need to figure that out. I think we're going to take this sticker with the dragonfly on it and then just kind of decorate with a quote beside it. Maybe like take it here, put a quote here, and then maybe another floral down here or over here. I want to use, for I know the plans I have for you. I despise this strip here. So I guess I'm going to have to put this sticker further down and then come up top with another floral. I always try to use the lines on the page to help me line up my quote. And then I think we might just kind of wrap around. Why don't we take this sticker and wrap around the quote? I know the little dragonfly guy is upside down, but he'll survive. They fly upside down, don't they? They do now. If they didn't already, they do now. I need to peel this up somehow. Oh, not going to get it. So we're going to leave that alone. We're going to cut off the excess on here. All right, perfect. All right, I like that. So now let's take this sticker. And we're going to use my little corner tool here. And I can't exactly tell where these boxes are, but we're going to kind of guesstimate. And just go ahead and cut this at an angle so that I can try to tuck this floral up in between these two boxes. I probably didn't cut all the way through either. I usually don't. Somehow. There we go. Okay. So we're going to attempt to tuck this in here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. And then I need a little something to go up top. So I may just grab this little extra piece. It's sticking through my fingers. Yep, that'll work. I'm just going to cut off this little excess piece. All right, and so, oh, I about cut my finger off. Okay, all right, so that side is done except for washi. So now let's use the small sticker sheet to kind of decorate around these boxes. So let's take, we're going to go with this one. If I can get it pulled up here. So many intricate little cuts there. All right, so we're going to go, I think we're going to cut it this way. And have the dragonfly like towards the bottom. It did cover up a little bit of the number 5 there, but I'm okay with that. Then we're going to go here with this one. Actually, I think I'm going to cut just the bottom of that tail off. Or the sticker. It's not actually his tail. It's just a sticker that's covering up the 5. So now we can see the 5. And then let's do maybe here and here with this one. And so I think, how do we want to cut this one? Let's just go with that. I'm going to cut this little bit of color off down there. I don't want it hanging over. And then we'll go down here with this one. All right, we're going to cut off a little bit of this blue down here. Because I don't want it to look weird when it's hanging off the box. All right, perfect. Okay, so now let's fill in with some washi. And then I do need to grab, before I forget, let's go ahead and decorate my fill paper because I always forget this. So let's just do this really quick like. Okay, we'll take this, cut there, and there. And then we're going to take the excess here and put across the bottom. This piece can't be used because I cut it. Actually, it could be used. Hold on. It just happened to work out that way that we can use it over here. I was going to say it can't be used because the floral in it was cut at a 90-degree angle, but it was not. Somehow I missed that. So it worked out good. All right, and then let's see. I need to make sure my microphone is still on. It is. Okay. All right, so that's done. So we'll do the washi on that in a minute. Let's go ahead and looking at my stickers to make sure I don't want to do anything else. Let's do some washi. So I think I'm going to go here. I love the silver polka dots on this washi. It's not very sticky though. I'm hoping it'll stick. I've had it for a long time. A long time. I think this is an old Happy Planner washi. I can't be sure for sure though. Can't be positive. I cut that off the edge of the page. Let me fix that real quick. All right. So we have those two pieces of washi, and then I kind of want to take a little bit of washi and maybe come down here. Just fill in a couple empty spots. So we're going to use both washis for these empty spots that we fill in the spread. Bent it. Let's do one over here too. That's crooked. We'll fix it. Okay. And then let's go in with some of this washi over here too, just to make both sides similar. I'm going to come up here with some. Yeah, this is really cute. All right, so let's fill in a little bit with this red color washi. So I'm only going to do it, I think, on the places inside the spread, not at the top and bottom where I put the washi. Just inside of the spread. We're going to add this red color. And I'm trying to kind of line it up like that, the diagonal part. I'm trying to line up with the polka dot washi. Look how pretty that is, y'all. It's so pretty already. Okay, so we're just going to do a couple more pieces here. And then this spread will be done. I hate these little tiny pieces, but I don't want to waste it, so. I feel like my eyes just about cross when I'm working with little stuff like this. My eyes just are not young anymore, you guys. It makes it hard to do stuff. Okay, love it. So now let's just put some washi on my page here, and I think I'm going to be extra and put a little bit here. So we're going to go here. Oh my gosh. That was so crooked. Oh well, it's okay. I'll fix it off camera. Or maybe right now. Pull that piece off, and then I did try to cut this straight. There we go. Okay. All right, so we got that, and then I'm going to do some at the bottom, just like I did on the other side. But that piece that I just laid up at the top there, we're going to actually put some red with it. So let's take, I actually should flip that to the other side. Let's flip that to the other side. Just so my washi's going opposite directions. Okay, and then we're going to come down. What did I do? The bottom on the other pages. So we're going to come down the bottom here. Come here. Okay, perfect. Perfection. I like that little bit of washi up at the top there. I did kind of pull it a little bit tight, but it's okay. All right, so let's put it back in my planner. I'm going to be excited to write in this one. I love the reds and the teals together. I think it's just a gorgeous color combination. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. Real quick, I do want to show you this. So what I generally do is I find online just random scripture writing plans for each day of the week. And this one just happened. I found it on Etsy. She actually doesn't post these anymore. It's an old one, like in her archive. It's 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗞blessings.com, but you can still find this one. It's for anxiety and fear. So I will just take each daily verse or verses, and I'll go ahead and write on the days of the month that I need to write them in my planner. So wanted to show you that real quick. So anyways, this is what it looks like in my planner. That's the weekly spread. And then of course this is my write the word sheet, insert sheet. So yeah, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me over on Instagram. And that is it for this video. That's it for filming this week. So I'll see you guys on my next one. I love y'all. Bye guys.